Sincere salutations. Today we'll be doing a review of the ZAC Sound SF666 microphone. The ZAC is a cardioid condenser microphone with a 6-foot, 3.5mm cable. If you don't have a great sound adapter for your PC, you can also connect it to the included USB adapter to get a much higher quality sound with a lot less white noise. You can also connect it to a mobile phone or tablet through an included audio splitter. The microphone comes with a short tripod stand. The overall construction is a plastic that feels sturdy and reliable. However, it came with a loose screw that would never quite go in, probably because it got damaged somehow in transport. Today I'll be testing it in different situations and seeing how it holds up against my usual microphone, the Blue Snowball. This is the ZAC's microphone on a computer using the USB adapter. This is the ZAC Sound microphone connected to a phone through the splitter. This is the Blue Snowball Ice via USB directly into my computer. This is the ZAC Sound via USB adapter a foot away from my face. This is the ZAC Sound microphone connected to a phone through a splitter a foot away from my face. This is the Blue Snowball Ice via USB connected directly into my computer a foot away from my face. So obviously the ZACs couldn't keep up with the Blue Snowball, but that's not really what this was about. This was more to see if you can get a quality mic for $25 or if you should spend the more money and get a better mic. And in my opinion, the leap in quality is good enough to justify the extra $25 you'd spend on the Blue Snowball. So I would not recommend this microphone. I mean, it is good for a startup, but this is way better. Hey you. Yeah, you specifically. Did you like this video? Well, guess what, my dude? There's more videos. Go watch those. Guess what? You can even subscribe, so when I make even more videos, you see them. Isn't that awesome, my dude?